Now, corresponding to question, the power factor of the synchronous motor varies when. First of all, make the synchronous motor, that is P. P this is equal to V into Ia into cos theta. Cos theta is the power factor angle between V and Ia. Okay. Now, that is E at the angle minus delta field excitation, that is Jx, and terminal voltage V at the angle 0, like this one, represent like this one. Okay. Now, corresponding to question, power factor vary. Power factor of synchronous motor varies when I know that P this is equal to V Ia cos theta. So what about cos theta? Cos theta is written as P upon V Ia. Okay. If V is vary, then what about cos theta? Also vary. Okay. That is called input power. Input power, that is electrical input power. You can say that is electrical input power per phase. Of synchronous motor. Clear? P is written as V Ia into cos theta. So what about cos theta? Cos theta is written as written as P divided by V into Ia. So if V is vary, then what about cos theta? Also vary. So first option is correct. Now another way, field excitation is varied. If any doubt, plot here power factor versus excitation. Field excitation EMS is proportional to IF. It is also proportional to phi f. Okay. Now make graph like this one. Okay. This one is under excitation, that is under excitation, and that is over excitation, that is lagging power factor, and that is leading power factor. This reason is called leading power factor. Okay. And this one UPF in synchronous motor. Okay. Corresponding to synchronous motor, that is excitation EMF like this one. Okay. Now corresponding question, if field excitation is varied, field excitation, that is phi f, and what about field current IF, and that is E. What about excitation EMF? Excitation EMF E is written as root 2 pi f NPH per phase into kW winding factor into phi f. Okay, I know that phi f is proportional to IF. So if IF is changed, then phi f is changed. If phi f is changed, then what about excitation EMF? Also change. Okay. Corresponding to E naught, power factor unity. If excitation is changed corresponding to this one, then power factor vary corresponding to this one. Power factor at this E, that is whatever, that is suppose that cos theta 1 leading. Now here, if excitation decreases corresponding to less than E naught, then lie between here. What about power factor? That is cos theta 2, that is E2. Clear? So this reason is called corresponding to this power factor, that is lagging power factor, and power factor value also change. If E is changed, then power factor value also change. Or you can say that excitation current or excitation corresponding to field excitation is changed, then you can say that power factor also change. So which one is correct? B is also correct. Now next one, load is changed. Now last one, we have changed focus on last one, after that third one. Supply frequency is changed. Supply frequency, if you can say that if phi f is constant, okay, if phi f is constant means you can say that that is if is constant. If if is constant, then phi f is constant. Then what about E? E is proportional to frequency. It means you can say that if frequency is changed, then E excitation is also changed. Okay, so fourth option is also right. Now next one, last one. Clear? If supply frequency is changed, then excitation EMF also change. Okay. Now corresponding to third part, load is changed. Make again. Corresponding to power P1, that is E naught. Suppose that this one is a E1, okay, or E, okay, that is E1, okay, that is excitation EMF. Corresponding to E1, what about power factor? Cos theta 1. If power is changed, load is changed means you can say that if load is changed, then what will input power also change. So if power is changed, that is power factor, you can say that with E constant, if load changes from P1 to P2 and P2 is greater than P1. Suppose that if P2 is greater than P1, then what about graph? Like this one, okay, like this one, that is P2, that is called P2, corresponding to P2. What about power factor? Corresponding to cos theta 1 and corresponding to this one cos theta 2. Change, power factor change corresponding to E. If E, suppose that E is taken a constant, corresponding to this E, this one gave power factor cos theta 1 leading, and corresponding to this E, this one given power factor cos theta 2 leading. Of course, this power factor is better than this one, but corresponding to question, change or not, it is change, okay. Otherwise, if you decreases, corresponding to P3, like this one, that is P3. What about E? Here, that is cos theta 3, poor. In previous value it is poor, okay. So you can say that power factor also corresponding to decreases, sorry, power factor change, okay, that is change. Clear? So which one is correct? 1, 2, 3, 4, all option is correct option. Make it. Corresponding to question, a synchronous motor feed from a infinite bus is working at half full load if an increases in its field current cause a reduction in the armature current, then motor is. First of all, that is IA, and that is field excitation, like this one, okay. IA versus IF graph like this one, Now that is IF0 and that is IA0. In this region, that is under excitation, and this region is called over excitation. Clear? Now another way, under excitation for synchronous motor, that is called lagging power factor, and this one is called leading power factor. This region corresponding to this one. Okay. Now corresponding question, if n increases in its field current increases, field current IF increases in all cases, under excitation and over excitation, all cases. What about field current? R increases. Clear? But what about armature currents? A reduction in the armature current. A reduction means armature current decreases. Armature current decreases, that is IA, means if IF increases, what about IA decreases? Which region? In case of leading power factor, IA increases, if field current increases, IA increases, but in case of lagging power factor, or you can say the under excitation, if field current increases, what about armature current decreases? Okay, corresponding to IA1, that is field current IF1, corresponding to IA2, what about field current? Okay, in this region IA decreases, field current increases. Clear? F1 corresponding IA1, IF2 corresponding IA2. Clear? That is under excitation. So you can say that, what about power factor? Lagging. It means what about Q? If power factor lagging, then what about Q? Also positive. I've already discussed in previous lecture. If power factor lagging, means what about Q? Q is positive. Clear? It means you can say that is under excitation, so motor, what about motor? Motor observe reactive power. If you any doubt, then make corresponding to this one, that is infinite V at the angle 0, that is infinite bus, represent like this one, and that is synchronous motor. Okay, that is synchronous motor. Power flow, that is motor. So S is written as P plus JQ. If P this be equal to 4 and Q this be equal to 10. Okay, P is positive, that's why P this be equal to 4, suppose that megawatt. Okay, and what about Q? Q is positive, so Q, direction of Q this be equal to plus 10 MVAR. Okay, what about power factor? That is lagging. Power factor lagging, so Q is positive. Clear? Q is positive means power flow from synchronous motor, infinite bus to synchronous motor. Okay, so you can say that, so motor observe VAR from bus at lagging power factor, at lagging power factor, or you can say that Q flow from bus to synchronous motor. Okay, synchronous motor. Clear? Which option is correct option? First one, lever. So first two is not option. Why? Because of corresponding question lever. That's why. Observe reactive power from bus at leading power factor. No. Next one, observing reactive power from the bus at lagging power factor. Which one is correct? D is the correct option. Clear? Only we are focused. Field current increases. What about armature current? Decreases. Which reason? Under excitation, that is power factor is lagging. Power factor is lagging means Q is positive. Q is positive means power flow from infinite bus to synchronous motor. Power flow from power flow from infinite bus to synchronous motor. That's power flow direction like this one. Okay, at lagging power factor. So which one is correct? D option is the correct option. Make it. Now, corresponding question. First of all, read the question. Okay. A synchronous generator feed from a infinite bus is working at half full load if increases in its field current cases a reduction in armature current. Field current increases means field current increases, armature current IA decreases. Corresponding question. And first of all, plot the IA, and that is IF. Okay. That is IA 0 and that is IF 0. Clear? This region that is under excitation and this one is over excitation. In synchronous generator, corresponding to question, that is synchronous generator, we are focused on synchronous generator. Under excitation, that is leading power factor. This one is called leading power factor and this one is called lagging power factor. This region is called lagging power factor. Clear? This region is called leading power factor and this region is called lagging power factor, and this one, that is power factor unity, that is called UPF, and this and also called nominal excitation. Okay. Now, corresponding to question, field current increases in both cases, in this one and this one also field current are increases. Okay. Now, if field current is increases and armature current decreases, means in this region only under excitation region is possible if field current are increases. Suppose that is F1 and that is armature current IA1, and if F2, that is armature current IA2. Okay, means if field current increases means F2 is greater than F1 and then IA2 is less than IA1. Clear? Means field current increases, IA decreases. Field current increases, armature current decreases. Only possible under excitation. Okay, that is under excitation, synchronous generator. Synchronous generator. What about Q? First of all, in this region, what about power factor? That is leading power factor, that is leading. Okay. Now, first of all, make this one is synchronous generator connected to infinite bus like this one. V is equal to V at the angle 0, that is infinite bus. Clear? Okay. If you want to see the synchronous generator power factor, means power factor of the load, I have already discussed. Power factor of the load. See from, if you want to see synchronous generator power factor, means you connect here a load like this one. Power factor of the load is called synchronous generator power factor. So this one is a load like this one. Okay. Now what about load? Load is during under excitation, that is leading power factor. Load is leading, power factor is leading. Clear? Means what about Q? Q is negative. If S is written as P plus JQ and P this be equal to 10 megawatt, and suppose that and Q this be equal to minus 5 MVAR. Clear? Q corresponding to Q is written as, that is minus 5 MVAR, and corresponding to P like this one. P this be equal to whatever 10 megawatt. Power flow corresponding to P, infinite bus to load. But what about Q? Q is minus 5 MVAR, means direction of Q, actual direction of Q like this one. Q is written as plus 5 MVAR. Clear? Plus 5 MVAR. Okay. What about direction? From synchronous, you can say that from load to synchronous generator. Clear? Q, direction of Q, that is from load to synchronous generator, or you can say that from infinite bus to synchronous generator at a leading power factor. Another word, synchronous generator observe. Okay, synchronous generator observe reactive power from infinite bus at leading power factor. Clear? So you can say that right now here. Complete the statement. Under excitation synchronous generator observe VAR from bus at leading power factor. Clear? Leading power factor. So which one is correct? These two not correct. Next one, observing reactive power from bus at leading power factor. Okay, observing reactive power from the bus, that is infinite bus. Take this one at leading power factor. Which one is correct? C is the correct option. Last one, observing reactive power from the at like, no, this one is not correct. So only possible C is the correct option. Make it. Okay. Any doubt? No. Why? According to question, field current increases, but what about armature current? Are decreases? Which region? During under excitation, and during under excitation, field current increases. But armature current decreases. So in synchronous generator, that is leading power factor. leading power factor means Q is negative. Q is negative means, back to the topic, this one is synchronous generator and that is connected infinite bus. Okay, I have already discussed in fundamental concept of synchronous generator of the power factor of synchronous generator. Power factor C by synchronous generator, that is power factor of the load. So we connect load here. What about Q? Q is negative, P is positive. So Q negative like this one, we have assumed like this one, Q negative. So like this one means Q negative means direction of Q, reactive power direction, from load to synchronous generator, or you can say that from infinite bus to synchronous generator at leading power factor. Another word, power observed by synchronous generator at leading power factor, okay. That's why, which one is correct option? C is the correct option, make it. A three-phase synchronous motor connected to AC mains is running at full load. First of all, that is armature current, okay, that is infinite bus, is running at full load and unity power factor, okay. It is operated at full load and UPF power factor, that is unity power factor. Clear? Now first of all, make power factor versus field excitation. Make like this one, okay. Unity power factor, this one, that is IF0. What about power? P1 is written as P full load, okay, that is UPF. Basically operating point, that is A, operate corresponding to this one at a unity power factor at full load at a unity power factor, operating point, that is A. Clear? This one is synchronous motor, that's why this reason, that is lagging power factor, and this one leading power factor, and this one is called under excitation, and this one is called over excitation. This region is over excitation, okay. Now another way, I know that you can say that at nominal excitation, that is UPF, and you can say that at under excitation means under excitation F this equal to IF01. If field current is less than IF0, that is under excitation, that is you can say that lagging power factor. And another word, that is over excitation, that is IF is greater than IF01, you can say that that is leading power factor. Clear? At present synchronous motor is operated at point A. Clear? P1 this will be equal to P full load, that is field current IF01 corresponding to field current IF01. Okay, now corresponding to question, if after that if its soft load is reduced by half with field current held constant. Okay, now you can say that if load power is reduced to half means P2 is equal to P1 by 2, that is P full load divided by 2. Then what about graph are shifted, that is under written as, that is under excitation. Graph shifted corresponding to this one, field current, that is IF0 corresponding to this one. Okay, why P2 this will be equal to P1 by 2, or you can say that P full load divided by 2. Clear? If power is half, then why graph shifted corresponding to this one? I have already discussed. If power is increases, then armature current, nominal armature current also increases. Okay, if power is decreases, load power is decreases, then armature current also decreases. Then we got corresponding to excitation voltage are also decreases. Okay, I have already discussed in power factor control of synchronous motor and synchronous generator. I have already discussed how to make the graph this type. If power decreases, then this one is shifted. If power increases, then this one is also shifted corresponding to here. Okay, clear? If any doubt, then go to the watch. Power factor control of the synchronous, this one is synchronous motor, that is why I focus on synchronous motor. Why this one shifted here? Okay, I have already discussed, but corresponding to question, this one is the objective question, that's why we are focused on to the point by point. Okay, if any doubt, go to the basic. I have already discussed in power factor control of the synchronous motor. Why this one shifted here? If power is decreases, if power increases, this one shifted here. Why? I have already discussed. So clear why this one shifted here, and excitation also decreases. Now corresponding to question, if this one is shifted like this one, okay, with same, or you can say that with same field current IF1, or you can say the IF01. Okay, now operating corresponding to this current, this one operating corresponding to B point. Now operating at point B. Okay, what about power factor? First of all, according to this one is under excitation, and this one is called over excitation. Over and under excitation decided by this one, corresponding this one under, after that this one is over. So be operated at over excitation, that is, you can say that is over excitation. that is over excitation. Okay, what about power factor? That power factor become leading. Clear? Very simple question. So which one is the correct option? Leading. B is the correct option. Okay, corresponding to question. First one, operating corresponding to a three-phase synchronous motor connected to AC mains like this one is running at full load and unity power factor, means operating corresponding to point A. Clear? Operated at point A. Clear? Now another way, if its soft load is reduced, means P2 is P1 by 2, then look like this one. Why P2 graph shifted here? I have already discussed in power factor control of the synchronous motor. Why it shifted? Okay, so first of all, shifted correspond this one. Now check with field current held constant, with field current, this at when operated corresponding to a point A, then what about field current? That is F01. Okay, we check corresponding to F01. What about power factor? If soft load is reduced, like P1 by 2, if this one is a P1 by 2, then what about operating point B? And what about this one operating in leading power factor region, or you can say the over excitation region? Why? I have already, this one is under and this one is over, so operating at leading power factor region, or you can say the over excitation region. So which one is correct option? B is the correct option, that is leading power factor. Clear? Make it.